Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Apex uses an incremental verification approach, which allows you to build non-linear models in an efficient manner where you can be confident in both the model build and the solution outputs. Non-linear models can be complex, both in terms of the model build and solver setup, but also the type of non-linearity that is being represented. Apex allows incremental verification using the embedded linear solver to ensure appropriate response before switching to MSC Nastran for non-linear analysis. Equally, non-linear aspects such as geometric, material and/or contact can be incrementally added to the solution, ensuring a robust build and simulation approach. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.